I've been gone for too long. Now it's time to bring it back. I've been gone for too long. Now it's time to bring it back. I'm bringing Chica back. Yep. Your other haters don't know how to act. Yep. I'm bringing Anyway, I'm back. Did you guys miss me? I missed me. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back. I know I've been gone for quite a while, but I'll be making a video very soon explaining everything. But this video is so much more interesting than what I have to say, so let's just get into it. So basically guys, it's time to level up, okay? It's 2019. We need to level up. We need to stop being like and we need to be like, oh. Do you know what I mean? It's time to level up. Like Sierra had the right idea. She said, level up, level up. So you guys know I love doing haul videos, but this haul video is kind of different because it's clothes that I already own, but I'm just styling them just to look better with a new addition. Now I know you're probably wondering, Chica, how are you gonna make us look bougie as hell? How are you gonna make us look expensive on a budget? And I'm gonna tell you guys, come. Teddy Blake. So basically guys, a company in New York called Teddy Blake New York reached out to me and they're like, Chica, we want to send you a bag. Pick a bag that you like. I was like, oh, okay, this sounds interesting. So I went on their website. I was like, oh my god, they're actually like real designers, like Italian leather bags, like, you know, the good stuff. None of that, the good stuff, you know what I mean? So basically, yeah, they're like, Chica, pick a bag and we'll send it to you. So I picked a bag. Let me show you the bag. Just hold on. Just hold on. Ta-da! So basically, guys, I'm just going to show you guys like a quick video of me unboxing this bag. Oh my god, guys. Let me tell you something. I have never owned a bag that came in like a protective cover. Like it came in like this white bag that covered the bag. That's how I knew it was the real deal, like it was legit. So yeah, as you can see by the bag, it's a Teddy Blake designer. It came protected, and inside you've got like an additional strap that you can strap on the side of your bag. So this bag is very, very versatile, and I got it in the 12 inches, so it's quite a big bag. Like it doesn't look like it, but it can fit a lot of stuff in here. But yeah, I absolutely love this bag. So guys, I had to get up the information because I don't want to give you guys the wrong information, but the bag that I ordered personally I'm sorry Teddy Blake if I butchered the name, I do apologize. It's the Cara Saffiano 12 inch Itopi? Do you know what guys, I'm just gonna leave the link down below of the bag that I got and you guys can check it out. So now you may be thinking, how am I gonna look bougie and expensive when you're showing me a designer bag? Right, my tip to you ladies is buy one expensive thing and style around it. So that's what I'm gonna do for you this video, okay? So my expensive thing is obviously my handbag, and I'll say this and I'll always stick to this: if you have just one expensive piece of clothing on you, the rest doesn't even matter because it's like a focal point. So my focal point for this little haul for you is this bag. Anyway, let's get into this video.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast, all tied up like a captive. Used to pay to my mom life, sending no rainbows, playing it cool. I don't felt this in ages, and I have no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer?
So guys, this is a quick example of how I would dress this bag if I was going like out for maybe dinner or for drinks, or I was going somewhere I needed to like kind of dress up and wear some heels, but it's still very casual. I'm still a bit comfortable, but do you know what I mean? The bag makes me look so much more expensive than I actually am. Okay guys, I want you to guess how much everything I'm wearing is. Probably less than 60 pounds, like probably less than that, but I look like I should be rolling down in a Rolls Royce. Do you know what I mean? So this is like a summer edition, how I would probably style this outfit with this bag. But you know, if it's a bit cold, then you can probably like change this to like a longer, thicker coat, and I'll show you that very quickly. So guys, as you can probably tell, just by having an expensive item on not expensive clothes, you look so much more expensive than you actually are. So if you guys are wondering like all the prices of what I'm wearing, these shoes, I think they were like £7–8 from Primark. These jeans were £12 from Primark. This top, I love Primark guys, it's cheap as hell and I love it. And I think this top was like probably like £10 from Primark. This coat was from Dorothy Perkins, I believe. and I paid £50 for it. So I think this is like kind of like, you know, a splurge for me. But this other short one that I was wearing, I believe it was less than £15 from New Look, right? But you wouldn't think that like what I'm wearing now is cheap as hell when I've got that bag. Hold up. Now that I've got this bag, I go from like Kardashian rich to like bougie broke. So I've showed you two options of how to style this bag, being a bit more formal and like going out. Let's take it down a notch, just be casual as hell. But look how expensive I look with this bag when I go casual. So guys, I was like outfit number 2 for you. Okay, guess how much everything I'm wearing costs? You probably got it wrong anyway. So I think the jacket, I got it in a whole, but I can't really remember the price, so I apologize about that. But I'll leave the link down below. This dress, guess where it's from? Primark, obviously. It was £5, I remember that. And the trainers I'm wearing, they don't really count. I mean, they're Adidas. I don't know how much they were because they were a present, but I don't think they were that expensive, I don't think. But adding that handbag just makes me look so much more expensive than I actually am. I'm wearing a £5 dress, like you would have never guessed. So guys, I have one more last outfit to show you about how I'm styling myself to make myself look more expensive with this bag. It's more like a going out slash clubby slash, yeah, going out clubby type of outfit, but it's cheap as hell, and I'm going to tell you that it is so cheap, but with this bag I look so expensive, and you would have never guessed. Never. I'm exposing all my secrets for you. So guys, that's the end of the video. Let me know what you thought of this little like styling one item and then styling clothing around it. Let me know if you like these types of videos. But anyway guys, I really want you to go check out Teddy Blake. They have awesome bags. Awesome, awesome, beautiful, real designer bags. But yeah, let me know if you guys really like this bag because I love it. You're gonna see it on my Instagram. You're gonna see it everywhere I go. I'm gonna have this bag with me just so I look like I got money. But because I love you guys, I exposed my cheapness to you, but you guys would have never been able to tell. So yeah guys, like I said at the beginning of this video, get yourself one expensive thing that you absolutely love and just style your clothing, your style around it. People will never be able to tell. And like I said, I've just exposed myself. You guys probably think, oh my gosh, Shika, you look amazing. That looks so expensive. This top, honey, that was like £3-4 from like New Look. The skirt was like I think £6-7, and those shoes, you guys remember my vlog, they were £3. Those shoes were £3, but you'd never be able to tell because I have this amazing bag and it makes it look so much more expensive than I actually am. So yeah guys, I'll leave the link down to the Teddy Blake website so you guys can go check it out and see if you guys like anything on there. Let me know if you buy something. Take a picture and tag me on Instagram. If you guys buy a Teddy Blake bag, we could match. We could actually match bags. But anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it, and I'm back with a bang, guys. Don't worry, I won't be gone for long ever again. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!